The first thing that you typically learn in your martial arts school is the bow or salute. Here we'll show you two versions of the one that we use. The simplified version is simply the back of the right fist to the forehead and the left palm to the chest, while the full version starts with the hands in the same position while stepping back with the right foot. From there, the left hand is extended to the heavens, the right hand to the earth. The hands come back to the original position as you stand and finish the salute. There is also a creed that goes along with the salute. I pay my respects to my teachers and fellow classmates. I come seeking knowledge, and I am ready to train.